Introducing the Jacket, a revolutionary double bike rack system for travel trailers, designed and engineered by Litzko Aero and Lippert components. The Jacket takes the RV bike rack to a place it's never been before. The front of the trailer. The Jacket's intelligent design frees up the rear cargo area by utilizing the A-frame of your travel trailer, the most stable part of the entire coach. With the bikes on the front of the trailer, you can actually see your bikes as you travel to your destination, a peace of mind RVers rarely experience. The Jacket has taken the age-old concept of a bike carrier and improved it for today's RVer. The Jacket is made up of two components. The power tower, which protects the tongue jack, attaches to the standard 3-hole bolt pattern on the travel trailer's tongue. The bike wing attaches to the top of the power tower and holds two bicycles by the wheels, adding natural balance, stability, and sway control. The Jacket was designed with several other features that had RV enthusiasts in mind. The Jacket's wheel cradles feature zero-G technology, using the two upper cradles to suspend the bike by its wheels, and two lower adjustable sway stop pins that hug the lower outside section of each wheel. 4 heavy-duty foam bumpers line the bike wing's two arms to protect your bike's finishes. Our no-motion pins lock the bike wing into place with silent, stable precision. This keeps rattling and noise to a minimum. By removing a few pins, the bike wing easily disassembles for convenient storage when not in use. Jacket, the latest innovation from the leading supplier to the RV industry, Lippert components and RV cargo experts, Litzko Aero. The Jacket is sold at most RV retail outlets in North America. The Jacket bike rack weighs 25 pounds without bikes and can support up to 80 pounds in cargo weight. The Jacket fits most A-frame travel trailers. Certain tongue jacks will not work with the Jacket. Check your current tongue jack before purchasing. The Lippert Components Power Tongue Jack or Smart Jack are strongly recommended. The Jacket fits almost every bike frame on the market today. The Jacket is easy to set up. There is no need for professional installation. The Jacket will not void your Lippert Components frame warranty. Add instant cargo space and carry your bikes with peace of mind with the Jacket bike carrier, available now from Lippert Components.